Church bombings in Georgia, like it was freedom riders on dark, hot gravel roads, like it was 4 little girls, like it was anybody in a skinny suit handing out leaflets, like it was organizing and protesting for the right to vote, like it was Betty Shabazz kneeling over her dying husband. Like it was all of that, like it was yesterday. And all of that madness must now encourage the continued search for dreams that somehow got left in yesterday's shuffle.